10th Tuesday, October 2023. Finding the balance. Mary had chosen the good portion which shall not be taken away from her. In today's fast-paced world, it is easy to get caught up in the busyness of life. We often find ourselves juggling multiple responsibilities, trying to keep up with the demands of work, family, and personal commitments. In the midst of it all, we can lose sight of what truly matters. But in today's gospel, Jesus presents us with a valuable lesson on finding balance in life. Martha was diligent and hospitable woman, but she became distracted by her many tasks. While Martha was busy serving, her sister Mary chose to sit at Jesus' feet and listen to his teaching. Martha's distraction led her to complain to Jesus about Mary's lack of help. Like Martha, we can easily become consumed by the hustle and bustle of life. It's important to remember that our busyness should never take precedence over our spiritual well-being. In our own lives, we must prioritize spending time with God and listening to His Word. It is in these moments of stillness and reflection that we can draw closer to Him, receive His guidance, and find true rest for our souls. By making time for God, we align our priorities with His will and find the peace and fulfillment that only He can provide. Pray and practice. Lord, as we navigate through this busy life, help us to learn from Martha and Mary. While it is essential to fulfill our responsibilities, alert us not to be consumed by busyness. Instead, help us prioritize spending time with you, listening to your word, and seeking your guidance.